So, back in action. So, we're going to be using GRIOT'S Garage ceramic glass cleaner. I'm going to show you how to use it and basically just see how good it works. And it's going to work pretty easy. It says that it's also a protectant. So, I'm going to do a water test on it, let you see how it works. You could buy this at pretty much any AutoZone, any Advanced Auto, big box stores, Walmart, Sam's Club. I don't know if some Sam's Clubs carry this, Costco, wherever. Anyway, this is GRIOT'S Garage ceramic glass cleaner. So, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to spray it. I'm going to put the cap back on. Set this down. The other thing that I have here is a microfiber towel. Microfiber towel. These are super soft, they're super plush, and if you look, they have a pile on them which allows it to pick up stuff, but it's super soft and it won't scratch your paint and it won't scratch your glass as long as it's clean. So what I'm going to do, now that this is on here, I'm then going to wipe up and down, side to side. I'm then going to take the towel, this is the side that I just wiped with, I'm then going to fold it into itself. Now I have a clean side. This is a clean, dry side. Now I'm going to wipe it one more time. Crosshatch pattern. Up and down. Now the glass is clean. So next thing I'm going to do, let's just go ahead and try out the water test. And it does have a little bit of beading, more sheeting more than beading. If you're looking for something that actually beads, I would recommend something along the lines as rain eggs. And you can actually look on our channel, and we actually have a how-to video on how to apply rain eggs. Anyway, does this work? For what it is, yes. Is it better than nothing? Yes. So next step is I'm going to go to the inside of the windshield and we're going to clean the inside of the windshield. So let's go. So first things first, I'm going to shake it up. I'll cover the entire windshield. I'm going to allow the product to work about 30 seconds to a minute. So this product doesn't have a smell. This product is very, it just smells clean. It smells very, very clean. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a microfiber towel. I'm going to fold it. I'm going to put it on the top of my hand because it's easier ergonomically with your body mechanics to put it on top of your hand instead of having to come underneath here and do it this way. That's very, very awkward. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come across. I'm just going to wipe. Fold it. Go to the dry side. I'll wipe again. This windshield had a lot of film on it, so to be expected, it's taking a little bit of extra effort to get this windshield clean. It's a daily driver, so it gets used. So I'm going to spray it again, and then going to wipe it again. And then, just like that, you have a clean windshield. So, that has been GRIOT'S Garage, GRIOT'S Garage, ceramic glass cleaner and protectant. So, be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this.